Hi there, it's Suzanne from sunstampin.com. I'm a Stampin' Up demonstrator in Canada, and this how-to video is a tutorial for all my amazing customers who shop with me this month. This card kit will be sent to those customers who use the designated host code. When customers shop with me, they instantly get invited to a VIP Facebook group called SuNN Social, where they'll receive extra special treatment. If you're not one of my customers, please enjoy this free video as an inspirational tutorial. And I would love to see you like, subscribe, and share. For this month's card kit, I have decided to use the stamp set called Gnome for the Holidays. It's a really cute and whimsical stamp set, and it goes perfectly with this design that I've chosen for the card kit. So this card design is called a panel card. So it's basically the Whisper White thick card base and then stamping weight Whisper White rectangles that I die cut from the stitched rectangles dies. And I am using Memento Tuxedo Black ink to stamp the gnomes. I will be coloring them and with my blends markers, and I'm just going to do that off screen just because it's not a coloring video. It's just to show you how to put this together, but I also wanted to give you a couple of alternatives. So if you don't happen to have the Gnome for the Holiday stamp set and you were thinking in the realm of holidays, especially Christmas coming up, you could use, say, a stocking image and stamp 3 times and then color them differently. You could use like bells or holly or trees even. Just 3 items that group well together, most likely from the same stamp set. I am putting dimensional adhesive on the back of these. I do find that the panel cards work really well together when you can color the images. I have seen panel cards using flowers as like different flowers as the focal piece. So, and they've colored them, and it's just been, it adds to a vibrancy of the card when everything is white, and then you get to color the images. So anyway, my mistake here was not keeping the gnome with the tree on her head, not keeping, because she was in my middle piece, and I should have kept the adhesive backing on my dimensional adhesive because I lined her up just a little bit too high. I wanted them just a little bit lower. So I did that with this guy on the left, and I also did that with the guy on the right. And I will say this, the first few shoppers that shop with me this month will not only get this card kit, so the card kit includes 2 of these cards. So you can imagine how many die cuts that I went through. I went through a lot. And then they're going to get last month's card kit as well as a bonus because I have a few left over, and I think sometimes, you know, everybody needs a little bit of a treat. So there you go. I have the Memento Tuxedo Black ink again, and I've inked up the sentiment Holly Jolly Everything. I was going to put it right in the center, but I just went a little bit off to the right. It was more pleasing to my eye that way. So that's my card for today. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll catch you again soon. Bye for now. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.